Use your SPT1 or SPT2 male and female plugs to create any size extension cords. Find the rib side of the X-wire. Split the wire about 1/4 inch. Locate the larger prong on the front side. Insert the wire down into the cavity. Press gently on the wire. Slide the back on. Use your dikes or pliers if needed. Follow the same process for the female plug. Find the vampire tooth that coincides with the larger slot. Add the back to the female. Now let's make an inline female. Locate the breakaway tab found on the female plug. Using your pliers, break off the plastic piece on the end. Once again, locate the larger slot on the female plug. Lay the X-wire across the back side of the female plug. Slide the back on.